If you're lying awake, feeling alert, restless, or mentally busy, this EFT tapping practice isn't about forcing sleep. It's about softening the stress response that often shows up at night. Because nighttime is when worries, planning, or looping thoughts become louder. So rather than trying to quiet the mind, we'll work with it. You don't need to feel calm for this to work, and if your mind wanders through the practice, that's okay. Simply return to the words that I'm guiding you through and the tapping when you notice. So let's begin by tapping through the EFT points. So if you're new to EFT, you can take this as your introduction to the points. And if you aren't, use this as an opportunity to ground before we get into the EFT practice. So make sure that you're seated comfortably, you feel supported and safe. And we'll begin by tapping the outside of the hands against each other. And first, feeling the support beneath you. If you know the points, you can close your eyes. Feeling your muscular system begin to relax. And now we'll tap the inside of the eyebrows. And you can tap with the tips of the index and middle fingers, and you can tap one or both sides. It's up to you. Feeling your forehead relax, your eyebrows relax. And now tapping the outside of the eyes, the bone just to the outside of the eyes. Feeling the temples relax into the scalp, around the ears. And now tapping the bone underneath your eyes. And again, one or both eyes, it's up to you. And now we'll tap the top lip just underneath the nose. And now tapping into the divot of the chin. Still feeling your face relax, your cheeks relax, your jaw relax. And now tapping in the divots underneath the collarbones. And again, you can tap one or both sides. Feeling the shoulders relax, the neck relax, the chest relax. And then tapping underneath the arm. So about 4 to 5 inches underneath the armpit on the brow line. And finishing by tapping the top of the head. And feeling your head meet your fingertips. Feeling an elongation through the spine. And now let your hands rest down. Close your eyes if they aren't already closed. And we'll move into the EFT practice. First, let any feelings of restlessness, overthinking, or anxiety surface. And on a scale of 1 to 10, rate the intensity of those sensations. Now let that rest. And you can simply repeat after me. If at any point you forget the tapping points, you can use the diagram on the screen. So starting by tapping the karate chop point. Even though my body is tired and my mind feels alert or busy, I acknowledge that this is what's here right now. And I love and accept myself no matter how I feel. Even though a part of me is still scanning, thinking, or planning, I'm open to gently meeting this instead of fighting it. And I love and accept myself through the process. Even though sleep hasn't come easily tonight, I'm willing to soften the stress beneath it. And I love and accept myself no matter what. Tapping the eyebrow, this feeling of lying awake while my mind keeps running. Side of the eye, noticing how alert or restless I feel right now. Under the eye, my body wants rest, but my system doesn't seem ready yet. Under the nose, all this mental activity showing up at night. Chin, thoughts planning or replaying the day. Collarbone, carrying more than I realized into this moment. Under the arm, holding on to stress even though the day is over. Top of the head, acknowledging how this actually feels right now. Eyebrow, even though this feels uncomfortable or frustrating. Side of the eye, I'm noticing that my system is still on alert. Under the eye, as if it hasn't fully gotten the message that it's safe to rest. Under the nose, this isn't my fault or something I'm doing wrong. Chin, it's just how my nervous system responds to stress. Collarbone, trying to protect me by staying aware. Under the arm, even when rest is what I need most. Top of the head, letting that land gently. Eyebrow, what if I don't need to make my mind stop? Side of the eye, or solve anything right now. Under the eye, what if I can let the thoughts be here without engaging them? Under the nose, and allow my body to soften anyway. Chin, releasing the pressure to fall asleep. Collarbone, offering my nervous system a signal of safety instead. Under the arm, letting this moment be enough. Top of the head, allowing rest to come in its own time. You can let your arms rest down, and feeling back into any restlessness, overthinking, or anxiety, rate the intensity you feel on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, if sleep comes, you're welcome to drift, and if not, this practice has still helped you soften the stress response and prepare your system for rest. You can use this practice again now or anytime to help bring that intensity down. And if you want more support for calming your nervous system in everyday life, I've created a free Reset Your Nervous System resource that has gentle body-based practices you can easily use for stress, overwhelm, or emotional tension at any time. You'll find that linked in the description. And feel free to use this gentle yin yoga practice showing up on your screen now. You can do it in your bed even if you choose, to help you sleep. Thanks so much either way for taking this time to be with yourself, showing yourself some care and attention and love. And take good care tonight. I'll see you in the next practice.